Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Welcome back to another deep dive into the world of smart money management. Today, let's dig into the wisdom of one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett has a wealth of knowledge when it comes to building and preserving wealth. We're breaking down 3 things poor people waste money on, according to the Oracle of Omaha himself. These habits might seem harmless, but they can significantly impact your financial health over time. Ready? Let's jump right in. First up, we have a common pitfall that many fall into: lottery tickets. That's right, folks. The lottery is often seen as a quick ticket to wealth, but in reality, it's a financial drain. Many people spend a significant portion of their income on lottery tickets, hoping for that big win. Warren Buffett has always emphasized that the odds of winning the lottery are extremely low. In fact, you're more likely to be struck by lightning than to win the jackpot. Instead of spending money on lottery tickets, Buffett suggests investing it. Even small amounts can make a big difference over time. Over time, those small investments can grow thanks to the magic of compound interest. This is where your money starts making money for you. Imagine putting that money into an index fund instead. Index funds are a type of mutual fund designed to replicate the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500. The returns might surprise you. Over the long term, these investments can provide substantial growth, far more than the slim chance of winning the lottery. Next on the list is things like daily lattes, designer clothes, and dining out frequently. These small, everyday expenses can add up quickly and take a big bite out of your budget. Buffett is known for his frugality and believes in living below your means. Despite his immense wealth, he lives a relatively modest lifestyle. He often says, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." This mindset encourages prioritizing savings and investments before indulging in luxuries. By cutting down on non-essential luxuries, you can save more and invest in assets that generate income. Cooking at home, for example, can save you a significant amount of money over time. It's all about making smart choices with your money. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested in your future. And finally, Buffett warns against the dangers of high-interest debt. Credit card debt, in particular, can be a financial black hole. Credit card debt can quickly spiral out of control, leading to a cycle of minimum payments and accumulating interest. This can severely limit your financial flexibility and growth. Instead of using credit for purchases, Buffett advises saving up and paying with cash. This approach not only avoids interest charges, but also encourages mindful spending. This not only avoids interest charges, but also helps in sticking to a budget. Paying with cash makes you more aware of your spending habits. He believes in the power of financial discipline and living debt-free. By avoiding high-interest debt, you can keep more of your hard-earned money. So there you have it. 3 things poor people waste money on according to Warren Buffett. These insights can help you make better financial decisions. Lottery tickets, expensive consumables, and buying on credit. By steering clear of these money traps, you can improve your financial health. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can take control of your financial future and build lasting wealth. It's all about making informed and disciplined choices. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Until next time, keep investing wisely. Remember, every smart financial decision you make today can lead to a more secure and prosperous future.